Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix an Asus laptop if it's not connecting to Wi-Fi or even Wi-Fi is not showing. Now, first up, just go ahead and try to at least force a hardware reset. Okay, to do that, listen closely, okay? Because I won't be able to show it as I'm currently recording using my computer. So go ahead and press and hold down the power button for about 40 seconds, okay? Just hold it down until it turns off. And once it turns off, again, just hold it for about 40 seconds. And after that, once it's completely turned off, wait about 2 minutes. And after that, just basically try to turn it on. Okay? And once turned on, go ahead and check if it helps. Now, if that won't work, go ahead over to your search bar and type down network reset. Click on this option. Now go ahead and click on this button right here. It says reset now. Click on yes and just wait for it. Okay. It says here you're about to be signed out. Just click on close. And if it doesn't restart, just close this one. Go ahead and click on your start menu. Click on the power button and just restart the device. All right. Now, once your computer boots up, go ahead and check if it helps. If that still won't work, right click on your start menu and click on device manager right here. Under device manager, just find network adapters. Right click on it, click on update driver. And then here, just click on search automatically for drivers. Now, if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, just go back, browse my computer, let me pick, select from one of these options. Okay. Now click on next, wait a bit, click on close, and after that, your Wi-Fi should be available now. And that is how you fix an Asus laptop if it's not connecting to Wi-Fi, right? I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.